Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Johnson. Welcome to our vocational channel. You have landed on my laundry video. I wanted to show you my laundry room first. Ooh, it's a little flipped. So here's my laundry room. It's my pile of socks that I'm trying to match. My washer, my dryer, both front loaders. Before we get started on going how to do this laundry, I'm going to tell you something that I like to do before I start my laundry, and that is sort my clothes into a hamper that has the colored clothes versus the white clothes or the lighter clothes. So here, I'm going to show you how I have my dirty clothes hamper. So I'm going to put you guys down here. Actually, back here I have two hampers. One I usually do for lights, one for darks. So that's how I'm going to sort my clothes. So here I have my dirty clothes hamper. It's down here. You can't really see it, but I'll show you the clothes. So first, I have this sweater that also has a t-shirt on the inside of it. So important things is to make sure you pull those apart so that they're washed two separate ways. But these are both colored, so I'm going to put them into my colored bin here, or my dark bin. Okay, I have some socks. These are also obviously very colorful. I'm going to put them into my colors. These are pants, and these are dark, so I'm going to put them with my colors also. Here is a white towel, so I'm going to open my other hamper, put it with my whites, my light colored stuff. I have some more socks that are colored, a single sock, hopefully the pair is in there. There it is. More socks, that'll be in the colored load. A dark shirt, another dark shirt that will go with the darks, the colors. Here is a white t-shirt. I'm going to put it in my lights or my white load. Colored towel. Goes dark. And here are my last two items, I have a shirt and a sweatshirt that are dark that I'll put in here. So my dirty clothes hamper is empty. So there was sorting clothes. So you guys can pause your video now. You can go sort your own clothes, make sure your laundry room's clear, ready to go. And in my next video, we are going to put things in the washer, get a load going. And then the next video, we're going to switch it over to the dryer. And then you'll have to check out my videos I've already made about folding or hanging clothes that come out of the dryer. So I'll see you guys next. You can click here for the next video on washing your clothes.